do a makeup tutorial for you guys. So let's get on with the video. Guys, I have got my makeup bag and my mirror. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to keep my mousse. Obviously they keep like foundation kind of stuff, but I'm not into foundation, so yeah. So I'm going to keep mousse. So yeah, guys, I've got my mousse, and guys, it's going to be the reverse because I'm in selfie mode right now. So yeah, sorry guys, and I'll just say the name, Lakme Absolute Mousse. So yeah, so let's apply it, and I have to take out my glasses. Obviously, I don't know why I'm keeping that. So guys, I'm going to time. Oh my gosh, time lapse you guys. So yeah. I'm done with my mousse. So now I'm going to keep my eyeshadow. So basically we have to keep concealer kind of stuff, but I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna keep that into the last part. Cause I'm gonna tell you why I do that when I apply concealer, the last kind of stuff. So so stay tuned. So next we're gonna do some ice. We're gonna do ice, literal ice. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna do some shadows. I'm gonna show you this set. I literally can't speak right now. So guys, I'm going to show you the shades which I'm going to use. So let's get into it. And guys, comment down below if you want me to do a video of what's in my makeup bag. So yeah, I'll do it, for you guys. Okay. So I'm going to use this palette. So let's get started. So first for oh my gosh, literally for here I'm going to use this. Oh my gosh, I'm going to use this one. Just gonna use this one, and yeah, time lapsing you guys. I'll just show you the second one too. So yeah, for the outer kind of stuff, I'm going to use this. I'm going to use that, and I'm gonna apply and time lapsing you guys. So yeah, very cool with that. Guys, I have applied my eyeshadows. So guys, at the end I'm going to do a final look. So very good with that. So and yeah, so the next process is the eyeliner or kajal, whatever you wanna call. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you with the brushes. So guys, I'm going to use this. I'm going to apply, oh my gosh, with this brush, and it's like looks so cute. So yeah, let's apply it. And yeah, I'm not gonna show you because it literally takes a lot of time. So yeah, I'm just gonna directly skip that part. So guys, I have kept my eyeliners kind of something. So like I'm obsessed with it because I don't know, but it like completes the look kind of stuff. So guys, next is the lipstick. So let's get onto it. So I'm just gonna show you the shades. So guys, first I'm going to keep this Vaseline because it gives like a glossy kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna keep on camera because it's just awesome. guys, if this hack, the lipstick hack is useful, give this video a big thumbs up. So next we're going to use this shade. It's like a hot red kinda, so I'm going to do it on camera. So yeah. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to do off camera because it's gonna take a lot of time and I don't want to extend this makeup look tutorial. So yeah, guys, I'm done with my lipstick. So guys, the last step is obviously the concealer. So let's get on with it. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab it. So guys, I've got my concealer and it's like a concealer stick, not the liquid kinda. I have to buy it because it's literally some. So yeah, so I don't know why I did that. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, I've just that much, so I have to literally buy it. So I'm just gonna do, yeah, I'm just gonna apply it. And yeah, when I apply it, I look weird, okay? Don't judge me, okay? Apply it under my eye. What the? Okay, I look weird, okay? Don't judge me. And like this, and like this, and like this. Okay guys, just don't touch me. I look like a weirdo right now. Just like that. So next we've got our beauty blender. So we're gonna blend it and gonna update you guys. This is the final look, and even I told you guys why I'm gonna tell you guys why I use concealer the last. Cause I'm a sweaty person, So while doing, oh my gosh, I literally can't speak English. Okay, so while doing my makeup, I just ran over there, and I'm gonna I literally told you I'm a sweaty person. So to cover my under eye kind of things, dark circles and pimples. So when I run, use it the second, it's just gonna rub it off like a piece of water. Okay, so that is why I use the concealer the last, because so yeah, this is my makeup look. So I'm just gonna do a slow-mo of this, and yeah. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that big thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So yeah, this is Siri. Peace out. Yes. And guys, I forgot to tell that I have Instagram, so go follow me on Instagram. My username is going to be right here or here, somewhere on the screen. So yeah, go follow me from I'm going to reply you, DM you, DM me, I'll reply you guys. So yeah, just follow me. Yeah, sorry for before telling peace out. So now this is Siri. Peace out.